All right. Testing. Looking good. All right, y'all. Texas Cannabis here. There's some new laws that have passed recently that have been getting a lot of controversy in the news. So from what I can understand is the state has made it illegal to sell CBD flour to smoke. Now what that means is you can still buy CBD flour. It just won't be sold or marketed for you to smoke it. It'll be marketed to use as for edibles or topicals, things like that. And I've seen some confusion about what exactly that means. So you can definitely still go to a CBD store and buy CBD flour. It's kind of going to be like going into a smoke shop to buy a water pipe. They have to call it a water pipe, not a bong. Same thing. So you'll go into your CBD store to buy CBD flour to make into something, but it's not to smoke. I just wanted to clear that up. There's a few articles online, I may put some in the description, that will explain that maybe a little bit better. The other thing that I wanted to talk about with this episode, also pertaining to laws and police, is I mentioned in the last video that it's not necessary to notify your local law enforcement about what it is you're doing on your plots. And that's true. But one thing you should also consider is when you go to sign up, you're essentially giving the Texas Department of Agriculture and anybody that works with them permission to inspect your lots, your properties. So that's also something you may want to consider. You better make sure that everything is very clean, prim and proper, before you allow a government agency in to inspect your crop. After doing a little bit of research on the new laws, it seems like, from everything I can find, it's still legal to sell CBD flowers. I don't think that they're going to stop doing that. One thing that I have noticed is a lot of people are complaining that the market is pretty saturated. From what I can tell, suppliers from outside Texas are taking up a lot of the market at the moment. And that's to be expected right now because there's only a small handful of people that have the knowledge to legally grow the plants up until now. And that's really what the state of Texas wants to do with this program, is get that knowledge out there so that anybody in the coming years will be able to grow. And I know everybody is anxious about medical marijuana and THC cannabis. The state of Texas won't be allowing anybody who hasn't grown hemp to grow THC. Let me put that another way. So if you've already been growing hemp starting now up until when they decide to do the medical marijuana, you'll be one of the first people that's chosen to get a license to actually grow that cannabis, the THC cannabis. But up until that point, we're going to see Texas try different laws. There's going to be some trial and error. They're definitely not going to get any of this right on the first try, even though there are several states that have done it before them that they should be able to look to. But I'm not a politician, so I don't know how any of that's going to go. These first couple of videos have been kind of educational, a lot of information. Like I said in the last video, there's not much I can do except try to educate y'all until I'm licensed and able to do this on my own. And then I'll begin taking y'all through the process of actually growing the plant and helping along those lines. So thanks again so much for watching. I really hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm gonna keep doing this. I'm gonna try to put videos out to please the YouTube algorithms so I can maybe get some more views. So thanks again, and I'll see y'all on the next video.